dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all at my online class. I am Rajagul Haidar, Assistant Teacher English, Alomela KG and High School. I hope you all are well by the love of Almighty Allah. Today, I am going to take class of class 9 from EFT. Dear students, today we have take class from Unit 5, Lesson 1. Please, my dear students, be concentrated. At the very beginning of the passage, I want to find out some new words with meanings and with synonym of these words. Okay, look at the board. Please look at the board. At first, we have the word tremble. Bengali meaning is kepe ota, and the synonym of the word is vibrate. I repeat, please concentrate. Tremble. The spelling of this word is T-R-E-A-M-B-L-E. Tremble. Bengali meaning is kepe ota, and the synonym of the word is vibrate. Okay. The second word is whisper. Whisper. I repeat, whisper. The Bengali meaning of this word is fish fish kore bola. Look at the board, please. The synonym of the word is dan or murmur. We have the next word. Please concentrate. Unsteady. Unsteady means austere. Austere. The synonym of this word is unstable. I spell the word U-N-S-T-A-B-L-E, unstable. The next word is turmoil, which is very important word in this passage. Turmoil. The Bengali meaning of this word is bishrinkhola, and the synonym of this word is chaos. We have the last word, devour. Look at the board, devour. The Bengali meaning of this word is grash kora, and the synonym of this word is destroy. The synonym of this word is destroy. Okay, my dear students, now I read out the whole passage. The topic of the passage, you already know that the topic of the passage is the greats of the mighty rivers. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Her polythene roofed shelter looks like a case. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. The dancing flame reminds Meherjan of the turmoil in her life. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything: a family, cultivable land, and cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her landed property. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour Meher's house, trees, vegetables, gardens, and the bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the year, she lost her husband and her family to disease, the cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. There are thousands of others waiting to share the same fate like Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of river, some of whose banks overflows or erode during monsoon. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river's bank. During each monsoon, many more villages are threatened by the mighty rivers like the Jamuna, the Padma, and the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. Dear students, please concentrate in this line. that it is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by the climate change. Please, I again repeat that concentrate on this line. This is the main theme of this passage. If we can't take prompt action to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more Meherjans in our town and villages every year. Dear students, please look at the board. You have some examples which you have complete in your home. The first one is, look at the board please. Number A, why Meherjan looks more than her age. Number B, where does Meherjan live in? Number C, how much people become homeless every year due to river erosion. And number 4, what is the meaning of the classes? Okay, my dear students, I have already completed my class. Please be safe and use your time properly at home. Thank you.